Cambodian Prime Minister announces preliminary voter turnout of 84.21% in 2023 election, surpassing previous years. Prime Minister Hun Sen has issued a special message to his compatriots regarding the July 23, 2023 election. In his preliminary announcement, Samdech Techo Hun Sen reported that the voter turnout for the 2023 election stands at 84.21%. Cambodia's Prime Minister, Hun Sen, has communicated to his fellow citizens about the provisional results of the voter turnout. In the 7th National Assembly election, the turnout is an impressive 84.21%, surpassing the official results of the 2022 and 2018 elections. According to the National Election Committee (NEC) announcement, the provisional voter turnout in the 7th National Assembly election on July 23, 2023 was 8,177.053. This figure represents 84.21% of the registered voters. The NEC is still in the process of finalizing the count.